Welcome guys. This is Realme C61 model. With blade make space between back cover and body. Now remove back cover of the phone with X-ray. Remove all the screws. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove inner body. Do not damage fingerprint scanner flex while removing inner body. Remove fingerprint scanner. Disconnect battery connector. Remove battery with X-ray or with plastic paper as showing in the video. Install new battery in the body. Connect battery connector to the main board. Install fingerprint scanner. Put back all the screws. Apply gum around the body on place of back cover of the phone. Install back cover of the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Thank you for watching.